Hey everybody, what you're looking at here is artificial intelligent noise reduction called RM Noise Client. Pretty available on the internet for free. I want you to hear what it sounds like. First, we're going to hit bypass, see if we can tune into a signal here and listen.
This is KC2 HBR, Kilo Charlie 2, Hotel Bravo Radio, CQ20, calling CQ.
Right.
This is KC2
now we put the noise reduction
HBR,
on.
Kilo Charlie 2, Hotel Bravo
That's
Radio.
with the noise
calling
reduction. That is without the noise reduction. With it?
20 meters, CQ.
See if I can get this guy.
Calling CQ, call CQ. Hello, CQ20. CQ20 meters, calling CQ. This is KC2 HBR. This is Kilowatt Charlie 2 Hotel Bravo Radio. Calling CQ. Hello, CQ. This is KC2 HBR calling. Calling CQ. Hello, CQ20. Calling CQ. This is KC2 HBR. This is Kilo Charlie 2 Hotel Bravo Radio. CQ20 meters. Hello, CQ. Calling anyone, anywhere. This is KC2 HBR. This is Kilowatt Charlie 2 Hotel Bravo Radio calling.
Kilo Oscar 4 Papa Delta India KO4 PDI. This is Mike in Palm Coast, Florida.
All right, the Kilo Oscar 4 station, the Kilo Oscar 4. Hello, good evening. Name is John Juliet Oscar Hotel November. Again, the name is John. I'm located in Long Island, New York.
QSL, Long Island, New York. I'm hearing you loud and clear. You're 5'9" to Central Foxtrot Lima. I am on the east coast of Florida between St. Augustine and Daytona Beach.
All right, roger that. The central coast of Florida, roger that. I'm running a Kenwood 990. My radio is a Kenwood 990. I'm running barefoot, and the antenna's a G5 RBC. I'm up at about 25 feet.
QSL, I got an ICOM 7300 barefoot with 100 watts, and I'm using an end-fed half wave, 160 meter end-fed half wave, which is about 155 feet long, and it's set up at about 40 feet in the air, and that's how I'm getting you.
What's your name? Can you come back? Copy your name, over.
Yes, the name is Mike. Follow me on YouTube and Facebook and all other fun stuff. Just search my call sign, Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India. Good to have you here tonight. And your first name again was John?
Yes, my name is John. Juliet Oscar Hotel November, and I'm copying you 5 and 5. You're 55 into Long Island, over.
All right, you are 5'9" to Central Foxtrot Lima.
Thanks a lot for the contact, and have yourself a great evening from KC2 HBR. Happy
KC2 HBR, Kilo Oscar 4, Papa Delta India, 73, my man. Good making contact. Thank you.
CQ20.